Hello, children. It's our English time, but today we've got different lesson because it's Christmas time. Yes, pozdravljeni učenci. Smo pri angleščini, ampak danes bo naš pouk izgledal malce drugače. Zakaj? Ker se nam približuje Božič, bomo današnji uri angleščine namenili ravno temu prazniku. Are you ready? Let's start. Tell me, do you like Christmas? Vam je všeč Božič? Yes, I do. No, I don't. I like Christmas. For start, let's sing and dance. Put the song on YouTube. V priponki imate povezavo. Lepo kliknite na YouTube in zapojte in zaplešite ob tejle zelo zanimivi in smešni pesmici. Can you do it? Yes, you can. Do you like the song? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Before we start, let's listen and repeat. Preden začnimo, spoznajmo oziroma kar ponovimo nekaj besed povezanih z Božičem. Listen and repeat. Poslušaj in ponovi. What is this? It's a Christmas tree. A Christmas tree. What is this? It's a present. A present. What's this? Or who's this? It's Santa. It's Santa. What's this? It's a fireplace. A fireplace. What are these? These are stocking. Stocking. What's this? This is a sledge. A sledge. What's this? This is a chimney. A chimney. Who's this? It's a reindeer. A reindeer. Jelinček. What are these? These are cookies. Cookies. Great job, everybody. Let's go on. Tell me, what color do you see? What color is this Christmas tree? Is it black? No. Is it purple? No. Tell me, what colors do you see? Katere barve vse vidiš? Povej. What about this present? What color is this present? What color is Santa? Is it black? Yes, one piece of Santa is black. Is it yellow? No. What color is a fireplace? What color are stockings? What color is sledge? What color is a chimney? What color is a reindeer? And what color are cookies? Now you're going to listen the story. Zdaj pa boste na YouTubu prisluhnili prečudoviti zgodbici. Is that you, Santa? Nič hudega, če vsega ne boste razumeli, pritisni na pavzo in potem bomo še enkrat skupaj prebrali zgodbico. Is that you, Santa? Listen again. It is Christmas Eve. The Christmas tree is trimmed. The stockings are hung. Cookies for Santa are on the table. Daddy says, "Now it is time for bed. Santa is coming soon." Božični večer je, vse je že pripravljeno za prihod Božička, za prihod Božiča. In očka reče, da je čas, da gre ta deček v posteljo, saj kmalu pride na obisk Božiček. Ring-a-ding-a-ding, I hear bells. It must be Santa with his reindeers and his sledge filled with toys. Kar naenkrat se dečku zazdi, da sliši zvončke, Božičkove zvončke, in misli, da je Božiček skupaj z jelenčki že prišel s sankami polnimi daril. Is that you, Santa? No, says Mommy. It is just the phone. Go back to bed. Si ti Božiček? Ne, reče mamica. Samo telefon je zvonil. Vrni se v posteljo. Whoosh, bang. What was that? I know, it is Santa. He's coming down our chimney. Kaj je bilo to? Že vem, Božiček prihaja dol po našem dimniku. Is that you, Santa? No, says Daddy. I took out the trash. The wind blew the door shut. Go back to bed. Si ti Božiček? Ne, reče očka. Ven sem odnesel smeti in je tako zapihalo, da so se močno zaprla vrata. Pojdi nazaj v posteljo. Crack, crash. Hear that? It must be Santa. Santa is putting the big presents under the Christmas tree. And he broke some of the balls. Slišiš to? To pa je sigurno Božiček, ki pod našo božično jelko postavlja velika darila in je po nevarnosti razbil nekaj božičnih okraskov. Is that you, Santa? No, says Mommy. It is the cat. She was under the Christmas tree. She broke some balls. Go back to bed. Si ti Božiček? Ne, reče mama. To je samo muca, ki je bila pod božičnim drevescem in je razbila nekaj okraskov. Pojdi nazaj v posteljo. Munch, munch. Santa is eating the cookies. Oh, says Santa. He likes our cookies. Santa is here. Božiček je naše piškote. Všeč so mu. Poglej ga, Božiček je tukaj. Is that you, Santa? No, it is Mommy and Daddy eating popcorn and watching TV. Mommy says, go back to bed. Santa will not come if you are not in bed. Si ti Božiček? Ne, mamica in očka gledata televizijo in jesta kokice. Mamica reče, pojdi v posteljo. Če Božiček vidi, da te ni v posteli, ne bo prišel k tebi na obisk. I go to bed. I wait and wait, but no Santa. I'm getting sleepy. My eyes are closing. Santa, where are you? Potem grem v posteljo in čakam, ampak Božička ni od nikoder. Postajam zaspan in moje očke se počasi zaprejo. Božiček, kje pa si? Look at all the presents. Santa did come, but I did not hear Santa. How did he do that? Poglej, koliko daril. Božiček je prišel, ampak nisem ga slišal. Kako je to lahko naredil? Do you like the story? Yes, I do. No, I don't. I really like the story. Did the boy see Santa? A je dečku uspelo videti Božička? No, he didn't see Santa. Ni mu uspelo videti Božička. Now let's repeat once again. Še enkrat ponovimo. It's a Christmas tree. Repeat after me. A Christmas tree. It's a present. A present. It's a fireplace. A fireplace. These are stocking. Stocking. This is Santa. Santa. This is sledge. Sledge. This is chimney. Chimney. This is a reindeer. A reindeer. And these are cookies. Cookies. Okay, now let's make some Christmas cards. But before we do that, preden to naredimo, v priponki je tudi zgodbica v PDF obliki, tale pravljica, ki smo jo danes brali. Tretješolca, vidva lahko kar počasi začneta poskusita malce brati. Seveda naj vam pomagajo starši, ampak kar poskusita dan po dan prebrati celo zgodbico. Verjamem, da vam bo šlo. Now what are we going to do? We're going to make Christmas cards. Zdaj bomo pa izdelali božične voščilnice. So what do you need? You need paper, glue, scissors, pencil case. That's all. In the Christmas cards, you're going to write Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. V voščilnice boste zapisali Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Pripravila sem vam nekaj idej, lahko pa izdelate voščilnice čisto po svoje. Potrebujete, kot že omenjeno, papir, če imate barvastega še toliko boljše, peresnico, lepilo, škarje, lahko tudi kakšne druge okraske. Oglej si ideje in prični z ustvarjanjem. Izdelaj vsaj 2 voščilnici. Še tu je nekaj idej. And here are some snowmans. You can search for ideas on the internet too. Lahko pa tudi malo sam pobrskaš po internetu še za kakšno idejo. When you're done, watch the cartoons. Ko končaš z izdelavo voščilnic, pa si ogled 2 prečudoviti božični risanki. Povezavi najdeš na internetu oziroma v pošti. That's all for today, guys. I really wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Zares vam želim srečen božič, veselo novo leto, predvsem pa lepe počitnice, odpočite se. Vmes lahko tudi malce kaj še naredite za šolo, ampak v prvi vrsti se morate odpočiti in izkoristiti vreme in čim bolj uživati zunaj. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. See you after the holidays. Goodbye.